Today, I'll walk you through how to sync Excel with Google Sheets using Power Query, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to connect your Excel spreadsheets to Google Sheets so you can streamline your data management process. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. This is where we'll begin our journey to connect the two platforms. Next, click on the Apps icon in the upper right corner of the Google homepage. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various Google services. From this menu, select Sheets. This will take you to your Google Sheets dashboard where you can manage your spreadsheets. Now open the specific spreadsheet file you want to sync with Excel. If you have multiple spreadsheets, just choose the one that contains the data you need. Once your spreadsheet is open, look for the Share button in the upper right corner. Click on it to adjust your sharing settings. In the sharing settings, change the access to anyone with the link. This step is crucial as it allows Excel to access the Google Sheet without any restrictions. After adjusting the access, click on Done to save your changes. Next, click on Copy Link. This will copy the URL of your Google Sheet to your clipboard, which we will modify shortly. Now click on Done again to exit the sharing settings. Go to your Notes application or any text editor and paste the link you just copied. We need to make a small change to this link to ensure it connects properly to Microsoft Excel. The original ending of the link will look like this, /edit usp equals sharing. We need to change it to /export format equals XLSX. This modification allows Excel to pull the data correctly. Now let's switch over to Excel. Open Excel and create a new spreadsheet. This is where we will import the data from Google Sheets. Once your new spreadsheet is open, navigate to the Data tab in the ribbon. Here, click on From Web. This option allows you to import data from a web source. In the dialog box that appears, paste the modified URL you created earlier. This is the link that will connect your Google Sheet to Excel. Next, select which data you would like to add to your Excel spreadsheet. You can choose specific ranges or tables, depending on your needs. Finally, click on Transform Data. This will open the Power Query Editor, where you can make any additional adjustments to your data before importing it into Excel. And there you have it. You've successfully synced Excel with Google Sheets using Power Query. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.